Hi guys, this is Miss Sanderlin. I just wanted to share with you what I'm looking for your secret message method assignments. So I would like you to use all of the information that we gathered on day 1 with the ed puzzle and the PowerPoint and the activity and your observations that you wrote down in your notebooks and come up with your own method of secret communication and use all of the things we've learned about hypothesis testing, so observations, having a good question, if-then statements, and create your own hypothesis and your own explanation for your method. I would like you to include at least a 3-sentence explanation of how your method could work. And I really want you to use the if-then because statements for your hypothesis because that's how we format a proper hypothesis. So I do have an example. My example is what we just did in class. So my method would be to have a volunteer stand outside of the classroom by the window, have the students choose different letters, all points of letters. My hypothesis would then be if the volunteer looks through the window while I point, then they will guess the secret message correctly because they will be able to see which letters I'm pointing to, and then my explanation is just an expansion on my hypothesis. So if the volunteer can see through the window, they don't need to hear me because they can see me doing it. And then when you are done doing this, just submit it on Schoology, and that's it. So good luck, and I can't wait to read what methods you come up with.